Driven by the rapid development of information technology and the swift advancement of cabling systems, the requirements for network bandwidth have become increasingly higher. Therefore, CAT6A cabling solutions are widely used for today's networks, which are capable of supporting data transfer rates of up to 10 gigabytes per second at a maximum frequency of 500 megahertz, while minimizing anti-alien crosstalk. Besides international industry organizations such as ISO, TIA recommends CAT6A cabling solutions for smart buildings and data centers. Vericom end-to-end CAT6A cabling solutions, available in unshielded and shielded, can support the most demanding current and future high-end applications with performance beyond the TIA ISO Category 6A standard. The Vericom CAT6A shielded cable adopts an SFTP design to offer excellent anti-interference performance. The Vericom CAT6A unshielded cable ensures anti-alien crosstalk performance while achieving a smaller cable diameter to save installation space. To ensure the transmission performance of System Permanent Link, Vericom provides high-quality keystone jacks for different scenarios, which can also support PoE applications. Vericom's CAT6A shielded patch panel with tool-free rear bracket is easy for installation and removal, and the loaded keystone jacks that adopt strain relief design can effectively guarantee physical reliability. The unshielded patch panel with the 3D design of keystone jacks positions will maximally reduce crosstalk between adjacent keystone jacks and achieve high transmission performance. Vericom patch panels not only function as connectors, but also help arrange cabling in an organized order to ensure maximum performance. Compared to a 24 American wire gauge patch cord, the Vericom 28 American wire gauge slim patch cord is around 50% smaller in diameter, which can effectively improve airflow and reduce pathway congestion in high-density applications. With many advantages over CAT6 and CAT5e solutions, CAT6A is becoming the first choice for enterprise networks and data centers, and any new installations preparing for the future. Vericom, the future of technology today.